Okay, first one of the day is this gorgeous KTM 250 EXC. This is a fairly new bike. This is a returning client. He has recently purchased this. This is a 72 plate. Unfortunately, he didn't get it properly protected, so he's been out on it a couple of times. He's washed it afterwards, but he went out to his garage the other day and he's seen all this. Look at all the corrosion setting in on all the engine block. Look at the exhaust. Every single bit of alley has got corrosion on it. Look at the swing arm, the hubs. Oh my goodness. I mean, we're talking a 8,000 pound dirt bike here. He's done less than 200 miles on it. Oh my goodness. This right here, folks, is why it's so important to get your motorbikes properly protected. We sell the XCP corrosion protection. Get yourself a nice little spray tin. You're buying something new, buying a dirt bike, buying something used, cover it this time of year. Look at all this corrosion. I would cry. Brand new bike. Oh my goodness. Anyway, we are going to do what we can, see if we can polish up this exhaust, get all that corrosion off of there, and then we're going to cover it in XCP clear coat. Get all that swing arm polished up. Looks like the chain's gone rusty as well, so we're going to absolutely cover it in XCP. Hopefully should neutralize any corrosion that's on there and prevent any further. He's also dropped off his little trailer rack there, which is all corroding up, so let's get busy. Let's get busy. There you go, 2 and a bit hours later, this KTM 250 EXC has been fully trotted. Oh my God, this was a bit of a challenge, this one. The poor client, he went riding on it just about Christmas time in the salt, put it away, and he came out to it, and as you saw earlier, it was covered in corrosion. The swing arm was thick. Corrosion, all your engine block, everything was corroded, all your exhaust was all rusty, spoke nipples, everything had gone rusty. So we had a bit of a challenge on this one. There's not a lot you can do when it gets to that point. We got some fine wire wool out. I scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed all this swing arm. Couldn't do a whole lot with these hubs because that's like a porous type metal, but we've done the best we can. Managed to get a few of them up. We then polished all this afterwards. All your side stand, gear shifter, everything that was corroded has been thoroughly cleaned, polished again, polished again. We then treat it to a nice coating of the XCP clear coat. I have misted it on everything. All your suspension linkages, all up underneath the tank, all your handlebars, everything's been coated. I mean, even his spokes, these are black spokes, they were all corroded already. So we've covered all this with the XCP clear coat. We then brushed quite a bit of the orange rust blocker on all your nuts and bolts. Anything that I think needs an extra bit of protection, all these, all your banjo bolts, etc., have all been covered. So yes, looks 10 times better. Not perfect, but 100% better than it was. At least now it's got some protection on it. I'm going to throw in this tin of rust blockers so the client can keep it looking this way for the year ahead. Don't forget, we're open 7 days a week. Satisfaction guaranteed. 07966 249 963.